Land has now become more popular due to the housing shortage across America. But as a wholesaler, how do you make money? How do you evaluate the land? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So when a builder or a developer are running their numbers for land like this, they're running their numbers based off what is called the 20% rule. Now, is this going to apply to every deal? Sometimes not, but this is the national rule of thumb on how to buy land. So that 20% rule, how does that look and what does it mean for you? So a house in this neighborhood, you can probably sell for $600,000 for 2,000 square feet. That's brand new construction, okay? Now, what the things I'm going to tell you in this video is only pertaining to you. So if a builder wants to be in 20% of 600,000, that is $120,000. That does not mean that, hey, I can lock this up for $120,000 and sell it for $120,000. So a builder is not willing to pay $120,000 because there are other costs. Now, one of the costs that will be needed if you're looking at the lot, you have to clear this land out, right? So this isn't that bad, believe it or not. There's no crazy trees. You could actually probably keep that tree to your left. I personally would probably have it trimmed down or taken out of here and clear all that. You can keep that one and maybe just take off some, you definitely gotta take off some limbs. But let's say that clearing on this lot is about $8,000, and the bulk of that is if you take out those two trees, all right? So that's the bulk of that. So with that being, so $8,000. So now we know, all right, the builder needs to be in $120,000, so let's take off the $8,000. Now also, so that brings us down to $112,000. Also, what else is needed for a builder? Well, inside that 20%, that is also included the water and sewer taps for a city. So let's say it's $10,000 to get water and sewer taps here. And I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. I want to say it's a little bit more, but let's say I'm rounding these numbers off. So we were at 112, right? So now we're down to 102,000, okay? $102,000. So we're down to $102,000, right? Because of the sewer taps and the waters were 10. So let's put this on the screen, right? We did 8,000 for clearing. That brought us to 112,000. Then we did 10,000 for the water and sewer taps. What are that? That's city water, city sewer. All right. There's never been a house here, so therefore, being there's never been a house here, the city has to come out and install their water and sewer taps so that this house can tap right into. Now, those are two important costs that a builder will have that you need to be concerned with. Now, as far as land prep, let's say this lot was already clear. It's clear and it's flat, right? In this case, fortunately, it's a flat lot, which is a great thing, because when the lot slope, you know, a builder might have to build a house that fits on that, but that doesn't have anything to do with you. In that $8,000, when they clear it out, that's gonna be the land prep. But sometimes, let's say that this lot was ready and it was flat, and it was green and grassy. Well, all you have to do at that particular point, you just have to grade the land just to get it, you know, ready for the build. The grading land can sometimes be $2,000, $2,500. But in this case, right, what you would need to do is, we're gonna say that this lot has about $18,000 in cost, right? And we know that the value of the land is $120. So we need to be around $92,000 so that we can make $10,000 for a wholesale fee. So we'll make our offer for $92,000, okay? And then we'll sell it for $102,000 for a builder. Now, this is the national rule of thumb, right? This doesn't apply everywhere. Sometimes people are willing to pay more than 20% of a lot, especially if you're in a gentrifying area on the outskirts of downtown and all of these major cities. But I just want you to have the mindset of the builder so that this will help you wholesale, right? So when the builder looks at the land, right, he sees that it's flat, okay? It's a flat lot. So you can mention that to him when you're trying to wholesale it. You can say, hey, sir, this lot is flat. If you look at it, if you don't look at it, let him do his own due diligence. That's totally fine. Hey, this lot is flat, just needs to be cleared out, and this is what I'm asking for, you know? and you could go from there. You don't have to mention city water, city taps. That's just to run his numbers, okay? So make sure you click on this video next to me, man. 5 fastest ways to find land deals, okay? Click on that, man. Comment what you think about this video, and see you in the next one. I'm Nasser, aka the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a duru because I actually do this business.